So I've got my little replacement RAM chip attached here. I'll turn the calculator on and we'll go into clear mode, clear everything, come back out, program 1. So you can see there's 256 steps there, and I'll enter a short program, so we'll enter 1 and 2, and then we'll do 3 equals 1 times 2, and then we'll do an answer 3, and we'll end that there. And if I clear that, we can then go PR1. You can see there's now 240 steps, and you can see the steps are there, step through, and that's the program right the way through to the end. We can enter another one, so I'll enter program 2, and it'll be the same program. Enter 1, enter 2, 3 equals 1, and let's do divided by 2 this time, and then we'll do an answer of 3, end. And if we go back to PR, you can see the steps have gone down, so if we do PR1, we can step through the program, which is PR1. If we do PR2, we can step through the program, that's PR2. So it's all looking good, except when we come to run it. So if I run program 1, we enter 1, so if I enter 9, then we enter 2, which is exactly what the program says, and we enter that. I then get an E for 3, so the program's running but the value is not there, so I'm suspecting that unfortunately that RAM chip's gone as well. Now that's not a TC5006 like the chip where the program's stored. That's actually an HD36106, I think it is, so it's a different RAM chip, but it should be possible to replace that one as well, hopefully, but it just means more work internally. So if we have a look down here, if I turn the light on, you can see that what I've actually got is a Pico, which is doing the memory storage, and I also here, can't really see it too well, let's turn that light back off. In here, where is it? There, you can see there's actually an IC there. Let's get some light and not have it directly on there. Yeah, you can see this IC here, I'm using that as a level shifter. I need that in order to drive the logic. So I've replaced one of the TC5006s. I think the other one might be working. I need to check that, because it is saying in write mode, if we go back to write mode, it is saying 256 over here. So 128 steps are in one chip and 128 are in the other. So we'll have to have a look and see whether that's working or not. Maybe, maybe not. If it isn't, then we'll have to replace both TC5006s, which I can do. I'll just build 2 PCBs and put them on there. So I think at the moment it's looking better than it was, but unfortunately it still doesn't quite work, so I need to investigate why. It looks like the processor's working and the display's working, the keyboard's working, so that's all fine. Although one of the keyboard wires did break, so I think I'll replace the connector with some of the where are they? I haven't got one here. With some of these sorts of pin and socket connections. I've got sockets here on the Pico, so the same arrangement. These pins will slide into the socket, and it fits pretty well actually. It's almost like it was designed for it. But anyway, that's a quick video update. There's information on the repository. I've got visibility actually. You can have a look over here. So this is the USB from the RAM chip, and it's dumping its contents here. So whenever I change the contents, so if I go to clear mode and I press MAC and clear all the programs, you can see I've got accesses, and it's telling me things have changed, and you can see that the RAM has zeroed out. So if I now enter a program, so P7 : there's a few accesses, and then you'll see that there should be a P7 there. Where's it gone? That's interesting. There should be a oh, hang on, there's an error here. Why's that? I don't know, I did something wrong. P7. No, I'm getting an error now. Not sure why. But anyway, the contents appear on the USB when it actually works. Oh, it's because I'm trying to write a program in clear mode. So if I go P7, we should get somewhere here, we should get, it's just a delay and then it comes up. So you see 8.7 and that's P7, and if I put the program in, enter 1, enter 2, 3 equals 1 minus 2, answer 3, end, you'll see that when that actually